Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Apple MacBook Pro with the M5 chip. A 14.2-inch powerhouse that promises to redefine performance and creativity for professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Right off the bat, the MacBook Pro 2025 is supercharged by Apple's latest M5 chip. This isn't just any upgrade. It comes with a 10-core CPU, split into 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, alongside a 10-core GPU. Every core is equipped with a neural accelerator, and Apple has integrated a 16-core neural engine, making AI-driven tasks, from image recognition to automation, faster and more efficient than ever before. Add to that hardware-accelerated ray tracing, AV1 decoding, and ProRes video encoding and decoding, and you've got a machine capable of handling demanding creative workloads seamlessly. The unified memory supports up to 32 GB with a blazing 153 GB per second bandwidth, ensuring multitasking and large project workflows run without a hitch. The design remains true to Apple's signature aesthetic. This MacBook Pro comes in space black, giving it a sleek, professional look. It measures 12.31 by 8.71 inches, with a thickness of just 0.61 inches, and weighs 3.41 pounds. Striking a balance between portability and a solid, premium feel. Build quality is impeccable. From the smooth Magic Keyboard to the precise Force Touch trackpad, Apple has retained Touch ID for secure login, along with a 12-megapixel center stage camera that supports desk view and 1080p video recording. Ideal for video calls and professional streaming. The display is a true showstopper. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR panel boasts a native resolution of 3024 by 1964 pixels with 254 pixels per inch. It supports 1 billion colors, offers a 1 million to 1 contrast ratio, and reaches up to 1600 nits of peak brightness for HDR content, while sustaining 1000 nits for full-screen XDR viewing. Promotion technology delivers adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz, making animations and scrolling incredibly smooth. This display isn't just bright and detailed, it's engineered for creative professionals who demand precision and color accuracy. Battery life is equally impressive, with up to 24 hours of video streaming and 16 hours of wireless web use. Charging options include a MagSafe 3-port, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, and an SDXC card slot. With support for multiple external displays, including 6K and 8K monitors, this MacBook Pro is ready for complex multi-display setups. On the software side, macOS fully leverages the M5 chip. Apple Intelligence integrates seamlessly into workflows, assisting with everything from content creation to productivity tasks, all while maintaining strict privacy protections. Applications like Microsoft 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud run effortlessly, and the Mac ecosystem enables features like universal copy-paste, iPhone mirroring, and FaceTime integration. Audio and video capabilities are just as robust. The MacBook Pro features a high-fidelity 6-speaker system with force-canceling woofers, support for spatial audio, and a studio-quality 3-mic array. Video playback is versatile, supporting HEVC, H.264, AV1, and ProRes formats with HDR capabilities including Dolby Vision. In the box, you get the 14-inch MacBook Pro, a 70W USB-C power adapter, and a 2-meter USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. Overall, the 2025 MacBook Pro with M5 is a premium device that excels in performance, display quality, battery life, and ecosystem integration, making it a compelling choice for creatives, professionals, and anyone seeking the pinnacle of Apple's silicon technology. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech.